How to pin comments on YouTube. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing is you can either install YouTube Studio app from your Google Play Store, or you can open up YouTube Studio in your browser. Here I have installed this app, so let's launch it. After that, you can see the app has been opened. So that in the lower section you can see here are various options. Among them you have to tap on the comment option. So here you can see the people who have commented in my videos and also the comments. So if you want to pin the comment, then you can simply tap on the comment that you want to pin. After that, you can see the like option, dislike option, reply and heart, and also there is a three dotted vertical line in the corner. So you can simply tap on the three dotted vertical line in the corner. After that, you'll be able to see the pin option, so you can simply tap on the pin, and from there you will be able to pin the comment of anyone. So by following this simple step, you can pin the comments on YouTube. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.